What is the correct tire pressure for my car? Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician, and this is my assistant, Gumball. So, I'm going to talk about your tire pressure, but it's going to be based on tires that are really designed by the manufacturer for your car. If you have tires that are completely different, so you have some fancy wheels that aren't really stock or different tire sizes or things like that, there's some other variables, and I'm not going to discuss that today. But if your tires are what come on the car or very similar to it, then what you want to look at is you want to look at the tire pressure that's in the door jamb. Now, if you read that tire pressure in the door jamb, it says cold PSI. So that's actually the pressure the tire should be if the car has not been driven, it's sitting, and it's the overnight low. The problem is we rarely check tire pressures under that condition. Now, Toyota has this awesome, really complex calculation to figure out what the tire pressure should be based on how long it's been driven, temperatures outside, that sort of thing. But you got to be a math expert, in my opinion. Now, Nissan came out with a technical service bulletin that basically said the typical car that comes into our shop, it's been driving around, it's during the day, it's not during the overnight low, and typically that should be about 4 PSI above the sticker on the door. So I hope that clarifies it a little bit. The sticker on the door is the cold PSI overnight low. But typically during the day, we're going to be 3-4 pounds above that. And if you keep your tire pressures in that range, the car should handle well, it should ride nicely, you should get the proper fuel economy, the whole ball of wax. So the rating on the side of the tire is actually the maximum amount of pressure when the tire has its maximum amount of weight on it. And we're basically never under that condition. So look at the tire pressure on the door, and typically during the day, 3 to 4 PSI above that. I hope this has been helpful, and until next time.
Until next time.
Safe travels to you and blessings.